in fairness sa mga investigators, okay naman sila, no? Pero I received information from the higher ups na ay personally tatargetin nila as an active member of a group plotting to destabilize this government, which I find very funny at the very least. Pero yun ang purpose nila, no? Na they will shepherd the investigation towards proving na merong akong involvement sa destabilization. Kaya sinabi ko na kaagad yun. And my source is a reliable military officer. Active military officer na one-star general pa. Ito yung kinakalungkot ko dahil yung investigation na ito ay naging politicized. Hindi na legal lang eh. So we are facing a political problem. Kaning 18 plus ako, we are facing a political problem because no less than the director had been mouthing so many things that preempted the result of the investigation. So yun yung worry namin. Hindi na ito honest to goodness na investigation dahil tinutulak nila sa aspeto or sa isang realm na politika na. We have no political or even pontifical ambitions. Ang gusto lang namin simple, makilahok, sumali, umambag, para lumabas ang katotohanan sa pagnanakaw sa kaban ng bayan. No? Yun lang ang intention namin. Huwag na ho nilang sabihin destabilizers kami.